Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Tuesday, May 21st. The market closed 20 minutes ago. I just finished streaming. Check the shirt out. ATF, baby. Free shirt that they give. I think you have to have a. I don't. When we were on the stream, when you're on the dashboard page, like when you're on the home page, there should be a thing right here that says free gift. Claim your free gift. It's literally 100% free. You could choose like t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs. It's free. They won't even charge you for shipping. But I think some people had it in their account and some people didn't. So I think it really all depends on how much money you've spent and how many accounts you've blown with them. You know what I mean? So I've blown more than enough. I've done my fair share of accounts and spending with them. So I had that, and I got the shirt. The shirt's really dope. There's different designs. I like this one, the bull and bear, the faces. Shirt's real comfortable. But anyway, let's get to it. Here's the biggest question: did my payout get approved yet? Was my payout approved? I requested it on last Thursday, almost a week ago, in the morning, Thursday morning on the 16th. I for the comeback kid account. It flipped from pending to under review on Friday. Let's see if it is approved. I'm going to hit it now. Nope, still under review. Still waiting here. But don't worry. They said, relax. Nothing is as bad as you think. This is Apex's video regarding all of the rules, all this information that's been going out there. They're not new rules. They said it's just they're going to actually enforce the rules now. They don't want you to be a gambler. If you're a trader and not a gambler, you're fine. But hey, make sure you use my coupon code to get 90% off any size eval, and you could pass it in one day. But don't be a gambler. Make sure you're just a trader. Okay. Anyway, it's so funny. I love it. Listen. I got nothing but love for Apex. Just flip my fucking payout to approve, please. I'm tired of waiting. Okay, because I need to start trading that account so I could build it up and get it, hopefully build it up and get it into qualification for the next payout period. Right. I don't want to miss that. And I'm only $45 over. All right. Here's my account. I'm only $45 over the minimum payout, the minimum threshold to get paid. So I actually wanted to flip a micro today, and I totally forgot while I was streaming. I was trading other accounts. Whatever. It is what it is. I should be okay tomorrow if I remember to, but I would like to just start trading it. And once my payout gets approved, I'll have a trailing match drawdown of $545. So that's that account. Let's move on to the other funded account. This is the 25K account that I'm on. Today's day 3. I literally made one trade. It was awesome. Let me show you. Actually, it was 2 trades, but I'll show you what happened. It was 455 from one trade. I'm up $933 through 3 days of trading. So this one's in great shape. That's a 25K account. I'll show you where it happened. Let me just scroll through. Where is it? It was on a nice dump. There was a dump that happened. Where is it? What time was that? Where am I at? Oh, man, I passed it. Oh, it's because I'm in micros. Let me go back. When did this happen? It happened on one of these dumps. We almost hit VWAP. It was a great fucking trade. Here it is. Right here. So I got in one here. I had an order for the 34, and then I had an order for the 105. If it hit the 105, it was going to add another one. And I got one, and then it flushed. It dumped like I thought it would. I got taken out of one here because I wanted to lock in some gains, and then I had the order for the other one down here at the 300 on the 1 minute. I got 110 on that position, on that order, on that fill, and then I got 355 on the other one. And then what happened was, so I was up 355. No, I was up 110 and 350. So I was up 465 basically. Well, 455 after fees. And then I forgot I had a stop loss. I was like dragging my stop down, to make sure I locked in gains and didn't get caught in a bounce, because it pretty much bounced off a pivot point. So a lot of times those bounces could be like hard bounces, especially when we flush. So I had an order in here to sell, which was a buy order because I was short, and it got filled by accident. I didn't close it in time. It kind of happened quick. And I didn't want to keep going up because I don't want to be too far over the consistency rule, even though I'm going to grow this beyond 1600. So I have room to keep growing it after like the payout or whatever. That's my plan in my head. I still have to actually execute on that plan. So talk is cheap, right? What you do speak so loudly. I can't hear what you say. Actions speak louder than words. So anyway, I took $15 on it. So it was really one trade. Either way, it's up $470. Great day. I stopped. I was like, okay, I'm done. That's how I always want it to be. It's not always going to be that way, but that's my goal. Take one fucking good trade and be outie, especially on the funded accounts. On the evals, it is what it is. This one, I was trading this during the overnight. I was literally, it happened again. It happened just like yesterday when I was streaming. I had 250Ks that were right there, and I found a way to fucking nuke them both in spectacular fashion. And this one I didn't nuke during the stream last night, but I literally said there was a spot last night where it bounced off a pivot point. I'm like, watch, it's gonna go up to VWAP, which was at a certain number. I was like, I'm putting my sell there, and what do I do as it's, because it was moving slow because it was the overnight, as it's crawling its way up to that sell order, I was raising my stop to lock in gains, and sure enough, it hit my stop, and like a half hour later, it hit my take profit. I would have been over, and then what do? I almost get over again. I almost hit the profit goal again during the day, and I fucked it up. I nuked it. It is what it is. What do? Because Apex is having that 90% off sale on any size eval, I got more, and I like these 25K accounts. So I got two more. I grouped them together. I was trading them during the stream, got them up $900. They're both up $900, so I have that they're in a group. I was copy trading them. I wanted to push this over. I almost succeeded in pushing it over, but I missed this dump here. If I would have got in on this dump towards the end of the day, they would have been over. Whatever, I'll get them over tomorrow. No big deal. They're in good shape. And then, I didn't tell you about the Big Daddy account. I got the Big Daddy account up another $1,400. So now this thing is up over $7,000. It's up $7,117. I need another basically $8,000 to pass this thing. So like, I'm not in a hurry. I'm not rushing this. I have not a feeling, but I know this account, once it's funded, could be a really good account. This could be the account, that I keep for months and months and months, because once you get over, it's a trap account if you're not good at trading, right? If you're still learning how to trade, what happens with a lot of people is they'll try to pass this in one day, which I've had people on my stream tell me they pass it in one day. I don't want to try and do that. It's too risky. It's $540 a point if you go full port. Even if you go because you could trade up to 27 minis in this thing, or even if you go 20, it's still $400 a point. I don't need to do that. I'm not in a hurry to pass it. Oh, everything just flipped. Oh well. But you saw what it was. I'll take my time. Maybe like yesterday I got this up like $3,700, or 34. It was like 34 or 37. So I could do that again tomorrow. I could go up 5,000 tomorrow. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not forcing anything with this account. I want to get it funded, because once it's funded, and again, you have to go up big to qualify for a payout. You have to go up $6,600. But when you get paid, the most you could take out during the first six payments, the first six payouts, is $3,000. So what'll happen is, after I take out that $3,000, I'll have $3,500 left over as my trailing max drawdown, which is amazing. As opposed to this account, when I get my payout, if it ever gets approved, right? Let's refresh again. Under review, approved, still under review. Just relax, breathe, guys. It's all good. It's not as bad as you think, okay? This will flip to approved one day, eventually. But look, with the 50K accounts, you don't have to go up as high. But now I'm only going to have $545 of a trailing max drawdown once this payment finally does get approved, whenever that is, whenever they get around to it. The good news about this and the under review payouts is there was somebody on the stream, in my stream when I was streaming, that said that theirs flipped from under review to approved. So that's encouraging that they're finally starting to work their way through all of these accounts that are under review. So I think that's just a new protocol. Instead of pending, it's going to be under review. It's going to start as pending, then go to under review, and then approved, unless you do any blatant violations of their rules, right? Which I did not do. So I'm not even awake to do that opening range trade, the bracket trade on the opening range. I don't even do that shit. And I'm not hopping in and out of positions in 3 seconds for fucking 4 ticks or whatever. So anyway, that's what's going on with Apex. If you're not a subscriber yet to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, thumbs down if you don't like this video, whatever. Thumbs up or thumbs down. I'll take either one. All right. Leave your thoughts and comments in the section, in the comment section below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will get back to you. I pride myself on replying to everybody. And if you missed a stream, you haven't been on any streams yet, make sure you hit the notification bell. I stream every day, anytime between Eastern time. Like I try to get on at 2 o'clock, anywhere between 2 and 3. I hop on. Today I hopped on closer to 3, but I was on for power hour, and I go to and through close. My dogs are about to start acting weird. Oh, I think the pool boy. Oh no, it's Tuesday. The pool boy's not here. Anyway, I go to and through close. Every day during regular trading hours, and then at night if I'm streaming, if I'm trading at night, around literally the same time, but in the AM. So like right before London opens at 3 a.m. Eastern time, like 11:30, or well, I'm on the West Coast, but 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. Let's refresh this. 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. If I'm trading when everybody's sleeping in my house, everybody goes to bed. No, still not fucking approved. Fuck me, man. Anyway, I'm so annoyed by that. It's so annoying. I requested my pay on a Thursday morning. But yeah, every day, if I'm trading at night, I'm going to be streaming at night. So yeah, don't miss it, because we all hang out. It's a good group of people. It's growing. It's a growing group of high quality people. There's a lot of really good traders in there. Some, people learning, but there's some really good traders in there, and people that know what they're doing for sure. And they're not, we all talk openly. We share what's working for us, what doesn't work. And you get to watch me trade like a full-blown degenerate. So it's entertaining at the same time. So anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, and if you haven't taken advantage of Apex's 90% off sale, you still can. Just click the link in the description below. Use my coupon code. You'll be supporting the channel. And if you don't want to support the channel, no big deal. You're supporting the channel just by watching. If you made it this far, really, thank you. And I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.